In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 ways on how to import your project in CapCut. If you are new here and you want to get more videos on CapCut, please hit on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss anything. I made a video on how to set up your CapCut project, so if you haven't watched that one, you can check the link in the description before coming to watch this one. It might be helpful to you. When you open CapCut for the first time or you want to create a new project, you will get this window. First of all, when you get this window, the import panel, you can simply click just once and it will take you into your computer where you can select the files that you want to import. This is a file I want to import. I will go to open and it will load here. If I want to import a folder, that means you shot something like a music video or an event and you want to import the entire folder. Import this folder and go down and select import folder, and this imported folder will load here. That is like the second way or the second method on how to import. Thirdly, you click on this drop menu and you go to file and you head over to import, and now you select the file that you want to select and hit open, or you could just simply double click on that file and it will load into your project. Thirdly, you can also go to your computer, select the file that you want to import, press and hold your left mouse, drag it, bring it down into your taskbar and select CapCut, come over and then you release it on the imported panel, just like this. You could as well drop it on this timeline. We call it timeline. The last method is just pressing Ctrl+I on your keyboard and it will take you to where you can import your media, and then you go to open. So those were the 5 methods on how to import files on CapCut PC. Let me know if this was helpful in the comment section. Don't forget to watch the previous video on CapCut project settings. That will help you so much if you are just getting started on CapCut video editing. Click on this video right here. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next CapCut video. Armando Vision.